Cleaning expert Anita Birges joins us live in the studio. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, what do you do?
Okay. Sunrise, we have a problem. Please. Okay, we're going to talk about phones first. This has actually got more bacteria on it than your toilet. Okay?
That phone particularly, or anyone's?
I reckon your phone as well, mate. Okay, so it's all pretty gross. Now, what we're going to do is all we need is some isopropyl alcohol.
Where do you get that from?
This you can get from Officeworks or Bunnings.
Okay.
But it's especially made for keyboards and devices, okay? Isopropyl alcohol, it was big during COVID to help with enhanced sanitising and stuff like that. That's what I mean by that.
Yep.
Now, the most important thing, whenever you're doing anything tech, you're never going to spray anything straight onto the tech. You always must spray it straight onto the microfiber cloth first, and then you can just give it a clean. Now, I actually went to Apple myself just to get some really good tips about it, because you know sometimes you see hacks like using glue guns and stuff to get out the grime and that from the speakers. Have you seen those tricks? No. Don't do that. Okay. Do not do that. Right. All you're going to do is you can grab something like this cleaning putty. All right, remember we talked...
Yes.
Right, but this is actually cleaning putty. Exactly. Yeah. You put this across here and it will get out any of that, anything of the debris or anything in there without damaging any of the connectors. No, that's the ear part.
Makeup.
And then anything... Okay, computers, same thing, and keyboards. We can use the putty again and you just roll it all over.
I'm going to do that because my boss keeps using my computer.
Do you want... I'll leave you this.
All the time.
I'll leave you this. It's really cool, and you can use it in the car, and then you just have to cover it up again. Now, another thing with keyboards is you can use compressed air. Have a go at it. I know it's exciting, isn't it? It's exciting. It's always fun when you get to play with a contraption like this. You put it through your keyboard, and it will clean out any debris in the keyboard. It will. And then what you do is you wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. And now here's my whole computer with my password coming up. So that's going to be great. We'll just put that down. Okay, moving over to also with anything with the keyboard, especially the kids' ones, if you're going to do the screen, good trick with the screen is you're never going to do it, first of all, when it's on or when it's just been turned off. You need to let it cool down for about 15 minutes. Never touch your screens, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you flip it over when you're going to clean your computer screen. You're going to grab a microfiber cloth and some distilled water, not tap water. Absolutely not tap water. It's not pure enough to use on your screens. So either distilled or demineralised water. Again, put it on your rag and you're going to wipe your screen down like this. That's all you need.
Just with water?
Just with water. You actually wouldn't use alcohol, and also like on your iPad screens as well. Look how quickly this will be cleaned. Just with... That was my daughter's, by the way.
There you go.
But look at this in 2 seconds.
Last one.
Okay, what are we going to do? AirPods. Okay.
Yes.
AirPods and headphones. These little things, I don't want to show you how gross these are because they're my husband's. He goes to the gym. But these little tips come off. Okay, first of all, you can take your tip off and you're probably going to have earwax in there. Don't do a close-up, it's gross. Now, what you can do, though, is you can buy one of these kits off Amazon or from Officeworks or from your Apple store, and you get these little contraptions and little brushes that get all... I really don't want to show you this.
Okay, we'll do it.
But you just go all the way through. And to clean the actual speaker part, again, soft toothbrush, bit of demineralised water, give it a scrape and blot out on your towel.
Amazing.
Thank you, Anita.
That is a pleasure. My face doesn't need cleaning that much.